Hey folks, it's Jared Manninen from the website TahoeTrailGuide.com, bringing you another short tutorial today. This time I'm trying to build upon the last one I did about slowing down and coming to a stop on fast, sketchy terrain that might be a little bit crusty, might be a little bit icy, by step turning uphill. So I'm building upon that today by adding a kick turn into the mix. If you haven't learned about kick turns before, there is a section in my part 4 of Introduction to Classic Cross Country Skiing, the downhill section. I'll be sure to link to that video above. Also, what this whole scenario involves is a lot of step turns. So if you haven't learned how to be proficient with step turns yet, I highly encourage you to watch my other video and practice a lot, because step turns, when the snow is not appropriate for making actual skidded turns, step turns are kind of like the main thing that you want to use in order to change your direction of travel. You do have to be, in both scenarios, step turn and kick turn, fully committed to one ski. And that's a critical element to all of cross-country skiing. Everything involves being on one ski at a time, so it really does require a lot of balance and coordination. But once you get comfortable with it and you know where the grip zone is and where your body weight exerts force on the ski, pressuring down the grip zone, that sort of thing, so that you don't slide back and forth. I'm standing on one leg as I speak here. You can do a lot more things. You can be a lot more safer negotiating crusty terrain such as I have today. A lot of other obstacles just lurking beneath the snow surface, all these big Jeffrey pine cones, which are the size of a fist, as well as branches, down trees, stumps, rocks, and you just need to really be quick on your feet while you're skiing in these types of conditions. Essentially what you become is this leaf going down the hill as you traverse back and forth on a hillside that would probably be too fast to ski straight down, or the snow conditions aren't very conducive for making actual modified parallel turns, telemark turns, or even just a basic snowplow. Sometimes that crusty snow is just not forgiving, and it will not really allow you to make a quality snowplow with skinny skis, soft boots, etc. I'm demonstrating on a bunch of open space, but this could apply in a thicker forest. It's just now you have that other additional obstacle of actual upright trees. Just be super mindful, make your traverses much shorter in that case. Unless you have a clear line of view and run out, then you could probably traverse a little bit longer. But realistically, when there's a lot of trees involved, I like to pause frequently just to gather my bearings and make sure that everything is still working right and I feel safe enough to carry on. And then, of course, when I'm in more backcountry terrain, more remote terrain, definitely having all these tools in your toolbox is a necessary thing, because you never know what you're going to find out there. Okay, that's about all I got today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out TahoeTrailGuide.com for more information about cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. And as always, I totally appreciate all my Patreon subscribers, all the people who send tips and gratuities via PayPal and Venmo, as well as everyone who subscribes, likes, comments. You guys are amazing. Totally appreciate it. Take care, folks.